Today we will show how to use VVDI MB Tool with WEIXY MB Full Test Platform Pro to calculate key password from a Mercedes-Benz W211 EIS on the bench by fast mode. Step 1. Test ESL or ELV Emulator function. Plug in the power adapter. Turn on the Test Platform Pro power switch. Use the test cable to connect the Mercedes W211 EIS to WEIXY MB Full Test Platform Pro. Please note, the steering lock emulator is disabled in fast mode. Now we switch the mode to fast for testing. Key won't turn. Steering lock emulator is inactive. Switch the mode to test mode. Insert the key into the EIS. The key turns smoothly. ESL or ELV emulator function is working perfectly. No need for the original ESL. Step 2. Reading EIS or EIS file without gateway. Connect WEIXY MB Full Test Platform Pro to the VVDI MB Tool. Ensure the WEIXY platform is set to VVDI mode. Open the VVDI MB Tool software. Double-click to enter EIS tools. Keep the connection mode as OBD. Then click Read EIS Data. VVDI MB Tool successfully read the complete EIS data with the built-in gateway emulator of the WEIXY MB Full Test Platform Pro. You can communicate directly without removing the original gateway. Step 3. Collect password data in fast mode. Please switch the platform's mode button to fast mode first. In the VVDI MB Tool software, double-click to enter password calculation. Check the box for Select This if lost all working key. Keep the connection mode as OBD. In the chassis drop-down menu, select the W211 Fast option. Then click Data Acquisition to start collecting data. The software will pop up a complex wiring diagram, but with WEIXY MB Full Test Platform Pro, there's no need at all. With cable plug and play, just click Next to skip the prompt, then click OK to start reading. Following the software tips, put the IR adapter to VVDI MB Tool, click OK. Then insert the IR adapter directly into the W211 EIS. The software officially begins collecting data. The collection time depends on the programmer, so please wait patiently. During the collection, the device will emit rhythmic beeps. This is a normal operational prompt. Please do not disconnect the power. Once data collection is complete, click to save it. Then click Upload Data to upload the data for server to calculate the key password. Upload complete. Now just wait for the server decryption. Next, you will get the key password. Once you have the key password, you can proceed to program a new key. W211 EIS all keys lost. Password collection without gateway and by fast way is fully successful. Using the WEIXY Mercedes Full Test Platform Pro makes automotive electronics repair easier, faster, and more efficient.